In today's free video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this really cool vertical dolly zoom effect. Again, it's a dolly zoom with a vertical video effect in Adobe Premiere Pro like you see in the movie Jaws, or even in this video right here. And it's not going to be as close as these two, but we'll have the video clip, drag it onto your project bin, onto the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. These videos here are examples that I've used. However, I found that these two videos have been the best for creating this vertical dolly zoom effect. Okay, so the first step, this video is over 25 seconds. Click R on your keyboard to adjust the speed. If you can't see this, right click on your video clip and then click on speed or duration. Make this around 350%. And as you can see, if you zoom in on the timeline, the clip is now 7 seconds, best to speed. But I'm going to click on reverse by clicking on reverse speed. So now we're starting at the end of the video clip, and we're going to see the beginning of the clip. To go under here, underneath the program, and then click here to enable this, rulers, and then save margins. If you don't see these two options, click on the plus icon right here, the button editor. And as you can see, show guides and show rulers. Click on these two things and click on OK, and then drag them down below. Up over here, click on motion, click on position and scale. Now we're going to move one frame to the right, or move the right arrow key maybe 2 times, and then click this to add or remove a keyframe. As you can see, it turns color blue, and then we're going to do this right here. We're going to go to the left, and we're going to click and then go to the right. So I'm going to do this one more time. As you can see, it measures this to the left and then right of the fire pit. Then we'll go up as well. Click down, drag this, and we'll do the same exact thing. Click and drag down at the top and the bottom of the fire pit. We're going to grab our cursor on the timeline, go all the way down or to the end of the video. Then right before the video ends, or right here, I'm going to click on a keyframe. Then we're going to click on motion again to make sure it's still selected. And now we're going to zoom in, and we're going to do the exact same thing as far as we're measuring the fire pit from the bottom to the top. As you can see, this is a little bit hard to do, but as you can see, we're getting a little bit close to the effect because the flames are coming out. This is the before, and this is the after, completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.